Actually, I'm quite childish in a way that I'm unreasonable sometimes. But you know what? I think that's the reason why I still look cute after all ng mga pinagdaanan ko sa buhay. Tell me I'm not cute.
Wow!
I always seek what's best for me, and rather than what is the easiest way out of the problem. Sabi ko nga kung gusto ko lang na yumaman, matagal na. Sa dami ng indecent proposal na tatanggap ko. But I don't think I will ever be happy in that kind of life. Because based on what I've learned throughout my life, yung mga pinakamasasayang taong nakilala ko, they are the people who fight their way out of the situation. Hindi sila yung hindi sila yung mga taong nagrereklamo or nagsisisi na naghirap sila or nahirapan sila abutin ng mga kung anong meron sila sa buhay. And most of the lonely people I've met are the people who choose the easy way out of life. And sobrang bitter nila sa buhay. As in, yung para bang kahit wala naman silang problema, may problema sila or gagawa sila ng problema. Parang ganun. Sobrang nega nila as in.